Hi all, welcome to Trading Clan channel. This is on behalf of Mr. Pradeep Kumar. I'm just his communicator. And I don't want to take much of your time on introducing myself, so let us go to the topic now. So this video is on our financial results that is based on 3 weeks of trades. Before going to our financial results, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe so that you can get immediate notifications as soon as we upload a new video. Yes, we booked 880% of profit, that too within 3 weeks of trade. Many may think whether it is really possible or they blabbering. Please don't think much. It is yes, we can. Because we do not use any of the indicators, sitting at the edge of the chair and taking up the trade and watching candle by candle and reacting to that. No, we don't do such things. We just follow our simple price action techniques. And that is the reason why we book good profits. We usually trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, so we provide Nifty and Bank Nifty prediction videos before the market opens in a daily basis. So hereafter we'll try to post our investment videos in coming weekends so that investors can have an idea. We have an uniqueness in our channel because the other channel usually explain about the post market session, where it took resistance, where it took support, and where we should have entered, where we should have exit, like this. But what we do is we speculate all the possible ways of the market movement so that we can counteract according to the market behavior. In this slide you can see 1 and 2 markings on your left side. I'll explain about the first one, Nifty and Bank Nifty prediction video. So we will be uploading Nifty and Bank Nifty prediction video around 6 o'clock before the market opens. This video we usually upload around 6 o'clock before the market opens. It contains all the dynamic ways the market behaves so that you can counteract according to that. For example, if we have speculated the market may move in 3 different ways, we'll have 3 different ideas and plans. For example, if the market moves up, where we have to enter, where we have to exit, what will be our target, and what will be our stop loss. These are all the things that will be explained in the prediction video, so you can have an idea. Coming to the second part is review videos. We review the prediction videos. This review video will reveal actually what happened to the market and how we counteracted to the particular behavior, whether we have booked profit or end up in losses. So how many points we have took profit or how many point we have lost. So all these things will be explained in this video. And also if we took profit, how we have to tune up that, and if we end up in losses, what will be the lesson learned. So these are all the things that are explained in this review video. So these learnings will rectify us and protect us from the risks. So you can see these prediction videos in our channel before the market opens around 6 o'clock, and the review videos will be released around 8 o'clock in the same day. You can have a look on it and please pass your comments. I want to share one more important thing, that is we don't take up the trades on all the trading days. We just look for an opportunity, and if there is an opportunity we'll take up the trade, otherwise we'll just sit and watch. And that is the reason why we booked a good profit. So we have created a financial result based on past 3 weeks. So out of the past 3 weeks we just got 7 trades of trades. So I'll explain how these 7 trades took us to a profit side. So coming to the financial results, you could see a box before you. So these are all the trades we took up in the past 3 weeks, and see how it has gone. I'll explain about the first week trading session. So we have got 4 trades on the same day, that is call side. We took 347 points altogether. So our profit has grown like 28 to 62, 62 to 125, and 125 to 145 percentage output in the first week of trade. Coming to the second week of trade, that is 1st of July 2021, Bank Nifty we had taken a call option, so that we ended up losing 57 points. So actually our profit was 145 percentage up in the previous week. So because of this loss it has gone down to 122, and also again we took Nifty, and it also ended up losing 11 points. Again our profit came down to 101 percentage. this week. So again in the same day we again shifted to call option 34600 bank nifty, and we ended up in a good profit, and that has elevated our profit percentage from 101 to 153 percentage. So ended up in a good profit. So you could see the next trade was on 5th of July 2021. So until then we were just watching the market because we were not clear about the market direction. So just watch for an opportunity and don't try to trade all the days. So then we got an opportunity finally. On 5th of July we got 176 percentage profit, and after that we again got an opportunity on 6th of July, and was again on call side, and that has elevated from 176 to 201, again from 201 to 258, and see the difference after that from 258 to 407. This is the cumulative percentage profit growth. Finally we got up an Thursday expiry trade that has elevated our profit percentage like a mountain peak. So from that is from 439 percentage to 881 percentage, just been rocking like anything. And we supported our group members, and they too have booked huge profits, and I'm so happy for them. So overall the profit percentage in the first week is 145, and after we took loss trades, so that the profit percentage was 7% in the second week. And coming to the third week, because of the Thursday trade, it took our profit to a new peak level, that is 728 percentage. So overall the profit percentage is 881 percentage, and yes, of course we did it. So here comes the graphical representation of the profit percentage growth. The first week is actually 145 percentage, second week 7 percentage. You may ask why the second week profit percentage is too low. So I have a reason for that. As we predicted on that particular week, the market has gone as per our predictions, but what I did is I just got somewhat greedy. So I ended up in booking just 7% of profit. So the lesson learned is we should not be greedy, and we should properly exit from our positions when the target once hit, because the market will be very uncertain and one cannot predict perfectly the market, how the market moves. So we have to be ready, and we have to take quick decisions according to the market moves. So don't please set up your mind in one direction, and please react according to the market moves, so that your capitals can be protected and avoid losses. And also don't get fear to take up the trade. Boldly take up the trade after predicting the market, and accept your losses, because always we cannot end up in profits. We may have losses, but please protect your capitals, so that we should survive in the market for a long time, and we should shine up. So if you are a beginner, just come up with small capitals. Please do procure your profits, small profits, and take up the risks from that procured profits, so that your capital erosion can be prevented. So here comes the monthly growth percentage. You can see from June and July, the profit percentage has piled up like anything. It was 101 in June month, and in July month it is 780 percentage. Do you believe this? This is only because of our simple price action technique. We do not confuse with many indicators. Don't please confuse with many indicators. Don't use this, that, and all. Just predict the trend and just go to the flow. Move in the direction of the market. Even now, if you don't believe that 880 percentage of profit is unbelievable, you can watch our review videos that were posted on our channel. So we have posted our executed trades with TradingView. You can just have a look on it and just have an idea. So we are planning to release our monthly, quarterly, annual results on regular basis, so that you people can have an idea. And I want this to be an interactive one, so that we can share our ideas and we can grow together. To access us, just go to YouTube website and just type the Trading Clan, so that you may have a Trading Clan channel visible to you. There you can click the Trading Clan channel. You can see our playlists, and we also shared our mail ID, that is tradingclan1986@gmail.com, and our Telegram link is http:// t.me/Pradeep Natarajan. Just click the Trading Clan channel and you can see this page on your computer. This playlist contains n number of videos that will be useful to you to take up the trades out on your own. And even if you want any guidance or if you want any ideas, I'm ready to serve you and I'm ready to discuss with you. If you're interested in, you can join my Telegram group also, and you can mail me personally using that Trading Clan email ID. I can guide you in what way I can. And because of your huge support, I'm planning to make a few more videos on investment trades and intraday techniques and all. So please do support me like always you do. I also wanted to share you one thing, because I have suffered a lot losing some lakhs of money in this share market, and I lost very badly. So but again I came up with a great virulence to fight for my survival. So I want to share a few information regarding this share market and how you have to survive even after if you have lost some of your money. So how you can gain up in a good manner. I'll just discuss this. For example, if we take 10 trades in total, out of 10 trades, because of good predictions, 7 succeeding, and because of market uncertainty, if we fail in 3 trades totally, and even now also we'll be in profit side. So no, we should be in profit side. So that will be the good thing, and definitely this way we can increase our capitals. Yes, of course market is uncertain and we may end up in losses, but after we end up in losses also we should be in profit side. Since option tradings are too risky, I usually trade with certain discipline. I'll just explain what are the disciplines I'll follow. I usually believe in calculated risk, so that I reduce my quantities so that I can bear, and also I don't want to lose my capitals. And I'm very particular about my stop loss. If the stop loss hit, I'll just definitely quit my trading and come out of it and just wait and watch. And I always predict before I entry or exit my trades. So I'll invest 20 percentage of my capital in options, and among the 20 percentage I'll set 30 percentage of stop loss, and I enter into the market priorly so that my risks are low. So if we follow these techniques, definitely we can move in a profit side. See, I have got 9 times of my investment as a profit. So you can see if I have invested 10,000, it is now 90,000 in my hand as my capital. I want to tell you one thing, that I am not an SEBI registered advisor. I just wanted to share my views and knowledge to you so that we all can grow up together. Once again, I remind you, if you want any suggestions, you can mail me to this mail ID tradingclan1986@gmail.com, and my Telegram channel is http://t.me/Pratik Natarajan, and my WhatsApp number is 7812863559. I'll be always happy to take up a trading discussion with you people. So your opinions and suggestions, your doubts are welcome always. Thank you for calmly listening to me.